I was really excited to find out that I would be one of the amazing women to be in this workshop. I like that it has different activities, that there was a tour and then we had the panel sessions. We even had to make a presentation, the elevator pitch, that was nerve-wracking. And the final day, today, was actually the best for me because there were the mentoring sessions and we got to really talk to the professors individually and ask questions, which was really exciting and very, very helpful. So far I've loved it. Until this workshop, I was always on the fence because in my field, professional practice is very important. And here, the women showed me that it's possible to do whatever you want and you can actually choose to even do both or do one first and then go to academia. So it definitely has helped me to decide that that's where my future is. I want to thank the organizers because I've been really, really surprised at how professional and amazing everybody has been. It's been really a fantastic experience. I'm just very thankful. Thanks a lot.